In this video, we will cover the put-away process in a warehouse by using Axacute. After receiving a supply of goods from the vendor, user can use the put-away function to store the incoming goods in the racks and shelves. At the home page, click on the Incoming button. Select Put Away. At the Put Away page, select the receiving warehouse. Use your mobile device to scan the location barcode label where you keep the goods currently. To enter the item information, simply scan the item barcode label on the goods. And then scan the item lot number to specify the lot to move. Then, scan the location barcode label on the racks where you want to put the goods to. Enter the quantity of the goods to be moved. If the put away is successful, a success message will be prompted. Thank you for watching this video.